Hello everyone, welcome to my screencast on Try One, Share One. The first one I tried for the purpose of this was Articulate. They seem to be something sort of like Google Drive and Google Docs and that sort of thing. They have a lot of really useful apps that seem to be very interactive, and you can use them with a lot of people, with a few people. You can make it as interactive or non-interactive as you want to. They have a lot of really good assets over here that you can incorporate and enhance your different projects. I also really enjoy the fact that they have online live training, because I know that in some things, if you're not trained, then they can be really, really hard to use. These examples serve as kind of a really good thing. These ones you can interact with, you can read. It's basically an e-learning platform, so it's used to create course materials and things that will really get you involved in it. Another thing that I really liked about them was their culture. They're really all about empowering people, excuse me, and kind of interacting with others. No, thank you. So it started out as a really small little company in 2002, and it grew from there. Their big picture is we empower people. They really want to cultivate happy, well-rounded people and that are successful, and they can do what they need to. And then it kind of focuses on their three principles: autonomy, productivity, and respect, which I really, really admire, especially in something that's meant to be interactive. Another one I really like is GoNoodle. This is the one I'd like to share with you guys, especially those going into younger grades. I think it's really fun. It's really interactive. Basically, in the school, you can use academic courses, and this gets them up and moving. It gets them involved. It involves music, which they don't always get a lot of. So it's really a great resource. I really like it. I have seen specifically these people up here, Blazer Fresh. They like to talk about grammar from what I have seen, and it's really awesome. They just really get you up and moving and going. And it really helps the kids whenever they're stuck sitting in a room all day to kind of focus back in on by doing something fun. I know that sometimes kids just need to stand up. So it says right up here, they boost productivity, improve behavior, and build community. If you get everyone up and dancing, it kind of doesn't make anyone feel as embarrassed for dancing by themselves. I hope you guys all have a great